Get it done, Malik.
Yep, we got a problem. Ain't this some shit? Excuse my language. Something just popped. And all the oil is coming out of this damn bike. What popped? Something did. Something just popped. It looked like it could be a line or either the motor just, I don't think the motor blew because it was still running strong, but definitely just lost oil. At least I know it starts. Oh, that was probably this that fell. What's this little piece right here? Wow, y'all. All right, that's enough for this.
Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I was down real bad, had to get up off my ass. Every race I ran, I felt like I was coming last. I lost faith in myself and I ain't never going back. That's a fact. I'm the type to lose it all and get it back. I'm posted, I'm toting, plug acting like a lil' ma, cause I owed him. Told me he would talk to my mama, man, I thought he was joking. I seen him parked outside of my crib, so I plotted to smoke him. I'm from a city.
It's Malik. So look, I'm bringing you a vlog spur of the moment because I got the bike. The bike is good. In my last vlog, you would have seen an oil leak. I didn't fix it yet, but I see what it is. So I'm not gonna get into that yet. But I was sitting here with my little sister. Y'all gonna meet her in a second. Again, I took the fairing off to the bike. So yeah, this just shows the accident report and everything. I'll get into that later. But yeah, this bike has a bunch of upgrades. A bunch. So we're gonna get into that in a second. Peace. Took the fairing off. I got it right here in my truck. Okay. That's the headlight. I will be reusing that. Now, this bike has an amp. I'm guessing this is to the headlight. It's a Boss radio in there. 400 watt speakers right here. It's some speakers back there too. But man, it's gonna be a beauty. Trust me. Trust me. I'm fixing my sister's car right now. She had a little issue with the power steering fluid. We're gonna check that out now though. Sam, you wanna be on the vlog? You on the phone? Oh.
Hi.
KJ, come here. Come on. She coming back. She coming back. I want y'all to meet my nephew, KJ. KJ. He look just like me. Hold on. Come on.
All type of shit in there. That's why I'm standing back on your ass. Shit fall down.
Hold on. I might need these. You might need these.
Throw that shit away, nigga. Ah!
Oh, damn.
You felt that.
I didn't actually. All the shit under my foot. You said I like I weighed 200 pounds. house. Like, you trying to call me fat? Pull it. Don't be scared.
I did something on this side for this.
You so scared. Get out the way.
Get your ass out the way. See, it's a mess right there. You see it?
Hey, man.
What's that?
Watch out.
Don't put that shit down. Stop being scared, nigga.
I had to redirect the air so that shit like bloated.
We gonna run,
That shit fell in my shoe.
Shit in there.
What it is?
Shit in there, so
Rat.
Look like a bird that died.
Oh! No.
Somebody, I'm gone.
You gonna help me?
I gotta see what's on it.
Are you scared? Come on. Get over there and do your job, sir. Go ahead. You can do it. You should have told me you was doing this today. I'd have dressed different.
Hold on, bro. Man, we gotta cut this shit. That's the wires and shit. We gotta cut the zip tie.
See how we gonna line that shit up.
Try to pull it up.
Well, that was a little aggressive, don't you think?
I'll chew that bitch.
Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us. That's when we at our best. It's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us. That's when we at our best. It's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? no stress. Walk in a room full of leaders, then lead the room. Talking black privilege and business moves. My tone and tune will presume the proof. If all I do is improve, then tell me how can I lose? Mojo bad is green more than the cartoon. Powerful women are my weakness, chase them by the group. In pursuit of greatness, fueled by the hatred. If they call me gas, then I blame the haters. Hit the gas, see you later. All about my paper, and I'm lacking me some patience. If it ain't about the dollar in the conversations, grade me on my cadence, man, that shit is A-list. She love my behavior, I'm all on her playlist. Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. Let's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. Let's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? No stress. Walk in a room full of winners and start winning. Control the game with these lyrics. I'm Big Sean and Kendrick. Intentions, evictions for niggas renting positions in this business. Enter the building, treat rappers like tennis. You see the distance, for instance, them ain't inches. I'm miles ahead of you niggas. You need assistance, I insist. I act an ass when I shit on niggas. It's different. Mojo got the melodies and spirit lyricists, and it's a style you can't just fuck with. If I leave the crib, then I gotta have it tucked in. I'm from out west, they robbing niggas over nothing. If I'm down to nothing, you know I'm up to something. Mindset of a hustler, you know and where we come from, bitch. Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. Let's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. Let's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? No stress.
So right now I'm taking the fairing off the bike. That's the other side of it right here. Amp and everything, radio and all the stuff. I'm cutting zip ties right now because I gotta separate this from the bike so that I can get to the fork. Once I take the fork off, there's no frame damage. It hit the crash bar and it stopped at the crash bar. So thank God for that. But we finna check the rest of the frame as well. Look at it, see what's going on. So I'll give you updates on. So we'll be riding on it. My guy washing my truck right now. Yep.
Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. Let's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? Run up a check, no stress. Come and place your bets. We got all the odds against us, that's when we at our best. Let's not pretend we always winning, cause we blessed. What's less? No stress. Walk in a room full of leaders, then lead the room. Talking black privilege and